Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my blog, and this is DJ Alvin. And today we are inviting here at Aberdeen Hotel for the Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards. At ilan sa mga models ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines ay makakapanayam natin, and ipapakilala ko sa inyo isa-isa ang mga modelo ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines. And before that, I would like to thank, of course, to Mami Annabel Balala, the owner and founder of the Mana Stylist Philippines. Don't forget to follow and like and share my Facebook page, DJ Alvin. Ayan. So, see you later, everyone. Okay, good morning, sir. Sir talaga. Anyway, kasama natin ngayon isa sa mga anak ng Balala family. So, good morning. At can you please tell me something about yourself?
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tristan John Lander Balala. I'm a former Mr. Teen Global 2023 Grand winner. I'm a 16 years old teenager. I love cars and I do sports. My favorite sport is basketball, and but today I am more focused on playing video games such as Valorant and Mobile Legends.
All right. So, you are in gaming. Your hobby is. So, bilang isang grand winner, international, so ano naman yung naging experience mo and ano naman yung naramdaman mo nung natanggap mo ang awards na ito?
My first reaction was I was speechless and I was shocked because I didn't know that I will win this title. And I was also happy because that was my first international and my first crown I won international too. So it was a mixed emotion since it was my first battle and I really don't know yet about more on pageant, and because of that achievement, it made me have more confidence. It boosts my confidence, and right now I also joined the pageant in Vietnam, and I won. I forgot the title, and yes, that's it.
Okay, so matanong ko, ikaw ba ay nag-aaral pa? Okay, so paano mo napagkakasya yung oras mo sa pag-aaral mo at sa pag-model?
In modeling, my schedule po kasi is 7 to 4, Monday and Thursday. So I have full vacant and no schedule of school from Friday to Sunday. And this month, I have been lucky since 1 week kaming walang pasok. So, in terms of balancing my modeling and my school, I balance it through my schedules because sometimes I don't join modeling since my schedule in school is more important, especially when there's an event. I often prioritize my school instead of my modeling.
Alright, so andito tayo ngayon sa Aberdeen Hotel for Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Award. So paano mo naman ito pinaghandaan?
Pinaghandaan ko ito, um, 2 days before,
Mhm.
lahat ng gamit ko inayos ko na yung, susuotin ko. Kasi noon nung mga nakaraang modelings kasi, yung mga damit ko minsan, a day before, minsan on the day din inaayos ko pa.
Mm.
And doon sa part na yun, nagkakaroon ako ng medyo struggles.
Mm.
Since minsan naiiwan ko pa yung gamit ko, minsan kulang-kulang yung dala ko.
Oo.
Kaya sa part na yun, inayos ko na sa this modeling. Since sinabi ni Mama, 1 month before din si Mama nagsabi sa akin na may ano na. So sa last few weeks na meron ako, and doon ko ninayos lahat ng gamit ko. Since naglaba pa ako doon, tapos inimbahay ko din lahat, inayos ko, bumili pa ako ng mga accessories din. And yung mga accessories ko, pending pa. Sa Shopee pa sila. Ready to pack pala ni seller.
Okay. So may mga nais ka bang pasalamatan ngayon?
Gusto ko munang pasalamatan si Mama kasi si Mama at si Papa kasi supportado nila kami simula pa nung nagsimula pa kaming mag-modeling. Especially sa unang pageant din namin. Supportado na sila sa amin, sa lahat, hanggang sa pagtaki din namin. And until now, supportado rin sila sa amin sa mga gusto namin ano sa buhay. And yun, sa mga siblings ko, sa ate ko, sa kapatid ko, kasi supportado din nila ako. And of course, sa mga followers ni Mama, sa mga followers din namin, big thanks po sa inyo and God bless po.
Alright, thank you so much and good luck.